This one. A swimming team has 8 members, only two of which are boys. The coach wants to take a delegation from the team to a special swimming camp. If the delegation must have either 5 or 6 members and must include at least one boy, then the number of ways to select the delegation is. Okay. The swimming team has 8 members. Only two of which are boys. Your 2 members are boys. Remaining 6 strength of girls. Okay. Total members. Swimming team has 8 members. 2 boys and 6 girls. The coach wants to take a delegation from the team to a special swimming camp. If the delegation must have either 5 or 6 members, delegation must have either 5 or 6 members, must include at least one boy. At least one, it means minimum one. So greater than or equal 1. At least 1 means 1 possible and more than 1 possible. 1 possible, 2 possible, 3, 4 and so on. Here at least one boy. At least one boy means one boy possible and more than one boy possible. Okay, one boy possible or more than one boy. The number of ways to select the delegation is. Here are two cases. Case 1. Now delegation consists of 5 members. Yes or no? If the delegation must have either 5 or 6 members, delegation consists of 5 members. Case 2. Delegation consists of 6 members. Here on condition there, at least one boy. Here at least one boy means one boy possible or more than one boy possible. Strength of boy is only 2. So at least one means one boy possible or 2 boys possible. One boy possible or 2 boys possible. Capital B. B means boys. One boy possible or 2 boys possible. Here also one boy, we have to choose one boy or 2 boys. Okay, in the case 1, delegation consists of 5 members. We have to choose 5 members. Okay, here one boy, remaining 4 are girls. Here 2 boys, remaining 3, and 2 boys and remaining 3 girls. Okay. Delegation consists of 5 members. 1 boy, 4 girls, 5 members. 2 boys, 3 girls, 5 members. Here also 1 boy. It means remaining 5. Here delegation consists of 6 members. Here 5 members required. Here 6 members. We have to choose 6 members out of 8. 1 boy and 5 girls. 6. It is the delegation of 6 members. 2 boys and remaining 4 girls. It is the delegation of 6 members. Okay. We have to choose one boy out of 2 boys. 2C1 and multiplication rule. 4 girls out of 6. 6C4. Or means addition rule place. We have to choose 2 boys out of 2. 2C2 and we have to choose 3 girls out of 6. 6C3. Here 1 boy out of 2. 2C1 and 5 girls out of 6. 6C5 plus we have to choose 2 boys out of 2. 2CB and 2C2. 4 girls out of 6. 64. Sorry, 64, right? Result of case 1. 2C1 to 64. 64 equal to 62. 6 into 5 by 2 factorial. 2 3 is 15. Plus 2C2 1. NCN 1. This one is 63. 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. 6 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4. 3 factorial by 3 factorial cancel out. 3 factorial. 3 into 2. So 20. 1 into 20. 2 into 15. 30 plus 20. You would get 50. Second result. Result of second. This one is 2C1 2. 65 6 plus 2C2 1. This one 64 10. 64 15. 6 into 5 by 2 factorial. Yes, 6 into 5 by 2 factorial, right? 15. This one is 12, this one is 15. Enter one, enter this 20, you would get 27. So 50 plus 27, 77. Which one is the right option? Second option. 57 plus 27. I hope you are understanding. Number of ways of selection of 4 letters of the word perfect is. Question is number of ways of selection. Find all possible selections. We have to find all possible selections of 4 letters of the word perfect. So here 7. It is a 7-lettered word. 7 letters. So what are the 7 letters? P is 1 time, E 2 times, R 1 time, F 1 time, C 1 time, T 1 time. 3, 6 plus 1, 7. First one, different selection, all distant, all means 4. All distant letters. Second, here one pair available, one pair and 2 are distant. One pair and 2 are distant letters. So here are 2 different possible selections. All are distant possible. Next, one pair. One pair means E and E. One pair, 2 distant letters. Now first selection, all are distant. How many different letters in the given word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to select 4 letters out of 6 different letters. 6 distant letters. So 6C4. First one. Second one, one pair, 2 distant. One pair searches are 2 letters వస్తాయి. So how many pairs available? Only one pair available. Only one pair. So 1C1. We have to choose one pair out of this one. Out of one pair. So 1C1 you would get 2 letters. What are the 2 letters? E and E. And 2 distant. So E is selected. So other 2 letters are distant letters. 1 P R F C T. Remaining all are distant letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to choose 2 letters out of 5. 5C2. So if 5 letters 2 letters choose distant letters choose chestamu and one pair. One pair means you would get E. Double E and 2 other distant letters. This one is all different possible, all possible arrangements, all possible selections of 4-letter word. The result of 64. Result of this one. 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial 15. So 1 into 5c2, 5 into 4, 5 into 4 by 2, 10. 1 into 10. So total possibilities are 15 plus 10, 25. How many number of ways of selection of 4 letters of the word perfective? 25. So third one is the right option.